Trying to grow your business in today's day and age without AI? Well, that's kind of silly. It's like showing up to a Formula One race on a tricycle. You know that you're going to finish the race, but I think you might get lapped by competitors who might be using some better tools. Look, here's the deal. You're smart, you're driven, but today, if you're still grinding for every lead, AI is not your problem. Your system is. And guess what? I got a better way, and I'm going to show it to you. For nearly 30 years, I've been building sales, marketing, and communications teams. I've built businesses, I've sold businesses, and I've helped those businesses close hundreds of millions of dollars in sales. I've written best-selling books like ChatGPT for Profit, and I even had the opportunity to deliver a TEDx talk. And for the past 15 years, I've been a talking head on television. Last year, I founded Torque AI specifically to solve one problem. How do I help entrepreneurs grow faster, earn more, and finally free up their time without having to hire a huge team or become a tech expert? During that year, I spent every waking moment testing every single tool that I could find. And here's the secret. Most of them were junk, but a few, those were game changing, especially for entrepreneurs like us who wear 12 hats a day, juggling things, spinning plates, and trying to get things done, and just don't have time to learn about the technology that's powering Fortune 500 companies. So I built a system, a simple system, a repeatable system, a powerful system. And in the first 90 days of launching it, it helped a realtor triple her leads, a gym owner double new membership signups, and a solo consultant, wait for it, closed $50,000 just with one email coupled with AI. Gang, this is not theory. It's what happens when small businesses plug into the right system. Most entrepreneurs fall into one of three traps that I've seen. They either avoid it because it sounds too technical, they ignore it because they say, look, it's not relevant for me and my business, or they abuse it. They're using spammy tools to produce trash content, or they're just spending money on all these different toys, really. And that's the wrong game. You don't need to master AI. You don't need to be a tech expert. You just need to aim. Aim, AI, automate, improve, monetize. You automate every single time waster. You improve what already works, and then you monetize everything that you do online. And that's exactly what my 90-day AI growth system delivers. And here's a look inside. You're going to get lead generation systems that I've been building for the past 27 years, where you're able to attract ideal clients for you and your business automatically. You're going to be able to get access to conversion frameworks, emails, direct messages, and landing pages that work. Sales automations that I've been working on for those 27 years that we've fine-tuned using AI so that you can turn those inboxes into income. I've created step-by-step tool walkthroughs so that you don't get stressed out, overwhelmed, and we do weekly coaching where you'll get feedback from me directly, and you'll also have plug-and-play templates, funnels, scripts, and outreach prompts. I try to provide as much great content as possible, and you'll have access to a private founder community. High value, zero fluff, and only entrepreneurs that are wired just like you. People like Maya, who made $18,000 from one singular email sequence. Or John, that 3x'd his revenue in 90 days. And Sophia, she built a lead generation engine that works while she's on vacation. True story. But here's the deal, gang. This isn't for everybody. I can absolutely help you if you've got an offer to sell and you've got about 5 hours a week to invest. Maybe you're a coach, consultant, maybe you're a service provider or founder, but you have to be ready to grow. People that I can't help, beginners with no idea what they want to build, and people chasing get rich quick hacks. That's just not what I built. I cap the enrollment in order to keep support personal and effective. I prefer working one-on-one with entrepreneurs just like you. Apply now. Spots are limited. Let's build your AI-powered revenue machine together.